Yo, ebusu ya asat na sibi ma ha fabulous zone. Me din e de king Kobe said the munim no we foforo na wo hwa me patcho no subscribe ya ma me. Ubi a notification bell no sa press so ma me. Said the me release video pe on sa be ka the 10. Yo, ya share fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko and the stories ben let's go through the story that made the headlines on social media. Share and the Kumasi Asante Kotoko mutimi bo friendly match against our Kwadaso Sampdoria. Among a friendly match. Friendly matches there, mamu fast score line too serious. Friendly matches there. At times, coach, or person engaging the boys and now mutimi or deep reading yama ba community. Into score line and should very, very important to her. Into ya mamu friendly matches and I say these training matches more fun too serious in Patroya Munyabutre. Now, if you Kotoko Eshes acquire Sampdoria 4-0. Evans Adomako ebo 2 goals. Safu Taylor Shebako Osman Ibrahim also itimi Shebako ewo ona make an score line there very, very important in no yemfa no enkwosiwo. Na another story so buy and say Nana Yamponsa their board member Kofi Boatin Jemfi on the Oyerepa FM etwetwe common the board member Kofi Boatin Jemfi on the Oyerepa FM etwetwe common and mubisa about Nana Yamponsa performance so far na otimi been an can pain to pain say Nana Yamponsa performing excellent. He has done really, really, really well. And the Kotoko to me running day-to-day expenses near the idea no Abramonko first come fi baby or to me some sponsorships near the idea bar wama ejuma cry for into Nana Yamponsa board member Kojo Boatin Jemfi with me abo about so say unya boss body safi umpenyi for her I'm say encouraging kwanshe it me ema umura no say dey me yen mentu aso enye de enyina that chin ho asida ebeba. That's from the board member Kojo Boatin Jemfi. Na one story so somebody say a Chelsea player your friend Odoi on Chelsea mini Champions League no or Bagana Wabejini Dimbe Bree another player so former Manchester United player friend Fosumensa Timothy Fosumensa on also Bagana. He's a place no back to your roots no person mo on also Bagana mo so buy no happy FM etwene ni dim komona on the to just say club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko club e na kuma so pa on support Kotoko or say no support Kotoko all those say on sheda follow Ghana league ne sa bat team or support Kumasi Asante Kotoko because Kotoko a traditional club is for the family and also team so American into club no woni jam into that you just say or no Bagana dia the team was supporting a fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko former Manchester United players. It seems so by Leverkusen or so also a fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko supporter Timothy Fosumensa. And then so another story so by say MTN FA Cup on the round 32 draw no share so ma Kotoko Ekushia Tender Boot FC omona Kotoko yitimi a draw mo I think say omona bebo home Tender Boot FC. The more details about that game na ebebremo later in the now subsequent videos no mo beti more about that match. Who are Tender Boot FC? Omuko mufi hin omo ye hwamo division be no more about them, more information about them. Yeah, the ebebremo about Tender Boot FC. Omoni team club ya Kumasi Asante Kotoko ye draw ye ni kokoshia. Now if you say the question back etudwa munhwe screen so what the screen so share so as steady the that's no performance about coach Marena Barreto. There's some argument bebre aba ebi se oyade ebi se onyade ebi se oyade obo ahwe nti the start na beto no start about coach Marena Barreto and da ho no wo hwe ni start na wo beka se wa yade ala se onyade so far wo hwe ma wabo 11 matches na we winning 6 I draw 4 and I will lose 1. 11 matches, won 6, lost 1 and drawn 4 games and I will draw. Until we also coach Marino Barreto waya so nya total points when you 22 points, 16 goals scored and 6 conceded. That's plus 10 goals. Personally, there I feel say there's more room for improvement. Why there draws no it so Emma win koye be 8 and a draws no koye 2 be lost 1 I think but not that notwithstanding we say a good performance I showing say more improvement but what you say Jao comment section I say about coach Mariano Barreto the performance this season so far so good into the and the story say by social media and the trending about Kumasi Asante Kotoko no yɛde abrɛ mu no nti yɛmfa mu nsi ase a momfa kyɛ me nanse na me ho mfa me nti me previous video a yɛyɛ ne kora na ase dede wɔ mu kasa mma yie ne ade ne na me nyɛ fine papa ba sesi a no gradually I'm getting better nti yɛbɛkɔ so the daily updates na abrɛ mu saa yɛmfa mu nsi a ha ayɛ Fabulous Zone mɛsrɛ foforɔ na wohwɛ a press subscribe button ne ma me why yɛmfa mu nsi a Fabulous Zone for porcupines by porcupines.